Hey Whiffies! I am so excited to be sharing with you our new Whiff boxes. So up until recently, I have been making our Whiff boxes, and as you probably figured out, but now I am able to order Whiff boxes directly from Scentsy that are absolutely amazing. Now, here's the thing. You can choose. There's no obligation to switch to this new Whiff box. If you decide that you would rather stick to the Whiff boxes that we've been doing right along, that's perfectly fine. I'm going to continue to offer them. Scentsy Whiff boxes are a lot larger than my Whiff boxes. They also are going to come with a $30 price tag. Okay, so this is the box itself. It is very nicely designed. I love the flowers and the design down here, and it is huge compared to the current Whiff box. It is quite a bit larger. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what is inside. Ta-da! So there's this awesome design up here. It looks really nice. And it's like opening up a gift. There's this little pamphlet in here, just kind of talking about the Whiff box. This is a really cool poster, actually. You can hang it up in your bedroom. But really, like, it's a really nice looking poster. You could do something with it if you wanted to. Then there is tissue wrap in here. Kind of similar to what our boxes have already looked like as far as tissue paper goes. And then there is all these goodies. So similar to ours, there's a kind of array of things in here. There is a bar. What's cool about this is the scent of the month. So it's a brand new scent that you probably have not been able to smell yet. So there's that in there. There is a bath bomb in Blue Grotto, which is brand new. I actually did not even know that we had bath bombs in the Blue Grotto scent until I opened this up. Whoop. Hold on, maybe we should take this out first. This is our new bathroom cleaner that just came out in this catalog in the scent Lemon Verbena, which I thought was really funny because in one of our past Whiff boxes, we've had Lemon Verbena counter clean, but this is actually bathroom cleaner. There's Go-Go Mango Hand Soap. This is, again, a newer scent that's been a favorite. Red Cedar and Sage Scent Circle. And then, this is super cool. These right here are samples of scent. So in here is like a couple, I would say probably at least 2 or 3 cubes worth of wax in here. And it's in this little tub. Now, what's really cool about this scent that they sent is I got this box just recently in the past few days, and this butter pecan scent is not actually available until next month. So they're kind of giving you a preview of what's to come, and this scent smells amazing, in case you were wondering. There's Porch Pumpkin, which is also from the new catalog. And Lavender Cotton, another new scent. So you have 3 different scents to try. So I totaled all of this up before, and just in products alone, without the 3 samples, you're already at $31. Plus the samples there, like I said, are at least 2 or 3 cubes of wax. So if you count that for another couple of dollars each, you're looking at about $37. So this is well worth the price. It's the same as my Whiff boxes, where you're getting a lot of product for a smaller price, and you get much more product. I can't wait to see what they do in the future and what's included in future Whiff boxes. Like I said, just go ahead and let me know whether you want the new Whiff box or to stick with the old. Either way, got you covered, and thank you so much.